Prenatal Ease, nothing more, nothing less. That is the philosophy of the creators of this unique product. Prenatal Ease vitamins are the only pregnancy stage specific supplements on the market. At each stage of pregnancy, your body and growing baby has different needs. Prenatal Ease is Canada's premium line of prenatal vitamins carefully formulated to support the changing nutritional needs of the mother and the baby before, during, and after pregnancy. These supplements are based on science and combined with a deep understanding of traditional medicines. Prenatal Ease is unique and targeted for optimized health. Prenatal Ease is formulated to ensure women are getting the right balance of nutrients at each stage of pregnancy. They are Health Canada approved with an NPN number. All of the vitamins contain essential nutrients like folate or folic acid. They are free of lactose, free of gluten, and free of artificial colors. They've not been tested on animals. And although the vitamins are optimized for a particular stage, they are safe to be taken at any stage of pregnancy. Now let's get into the individual stages. So let's start with omega-3 DHA, which supports brain, eye, and immune system development. You take it before, during, and after pregnancy, and it's really great for dads too. The two most beneficial fatty acids out there are DHA and EPA. DHA is essential for fetal growth and development, and it is important for visual and cognitive development. EPA supports the development of the cardiovascular, immune, and inflammatory systems. Studies show that EPA is essential in the transportation of DHA through the placenta to the baby, and it helps DHA get through the fetal cell membrane. Each serving of omega-3 DHA contains balanced levels of both 400 milligrams of DHA and 600 milligrams of EPA, which are the optimized doses. Omega-3 is sourced from fish that is naturally low in contaminants and low in mercury. It's recommended that you take 2 capsules per day, and each 90 capsule bottle is a 1.5 month supply. Preconception, which is essential for ovulation and fertility. Preconception includes a number of vitamins, and each one has a specific role ranging from metabolizing carbohydrates, fats, and proteins to the creation of hormones and cholesterols, all essential in proper fetal development. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, is for the creation of hormones and cholesterols. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, is for proper development of bones, muscles, and nerves in the fetus. Vitamin B1, thiamine, helps metabolize fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Vitamin B12 is essential in the creation of red blood cells, DNA synthesis, and proper neurological function. Inositol is to support fertility, ovulation, and egg quality. Choline is for fetal brain development, and the earlier you take this, the better. Zinc is for immune health and egg cell quality. It is convenient once daily dosing, and they are easy to swallow vegetarian capsules. They are in 60 capsule bottles, which is a 2-month supply. Stage 1 is perfect for alleviating morning sickness and supporting the neural tube health in baby. It contains just enough iron for a healthy pregnancy during the first trimester, but not high enough to aggravate morning sickness, which can be common in the first trimester. Excess iron intake can cause side effects like constipation, nausea, metallic taste, and diarrhea. Stage 1 also contains premium quality ginger, which is effective at minimizing morning sickness with minimal side effects. It's used by traditional medicine practitioners for thousands of years. Vitamin B6 is important for the baby's brain and nervous system development, as well as red blood cell protection. Vitamin B6 is also beneficial in minimizing nausea in pregnancy. These are easy to swallow vegetarian capsules, and they are available in 90 capsule bottles, which is a 1.5 month supply. Stage 2, second trimester, supporting the development of baby's eyes, heart, ears, and immune system. Stage 2 contains vitamin A, which is important for the proper development of the baby's eyes, heart, ears, limbs, bones, skin, and immune system. Vitamin A is as beta-carotene, which is your body will naturally convert it to the active form of vitamin A as it needs it. All prenatal Ease supplements have plant-based vitamin A, beta-carotene. These are easy to swallow vegetarian capsules, and they are available in 90 capsule bottles, which is a 1.5 month supply. Stage 3, or third trimester. This contains key components for baby growth, supporting red blood cells, and preparing your baby and your body for delivery. The iron that it contains helps with blood production, and stage 3 has higher levels of iron than stage 1. It is less likely that you will be faced with morning sickness, so higher iron levels are easier to tolerate at this stage. Chromium is an essential mineral to metabolize fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and to build muscle tissue. Chromium works with insulin to maintain normal sugar levels, which is important at this stage of pregnancy. It also contains peppermint to help relieve indigestion and bloating. A key component of the stage 3 is a red raspberry leaf, which helps prepare your body for labor. It's used in traditional herbal medicines to prepare mothers for childbirth by strengthening the uterus and reducing labor pain and duration. These come in easy-to-swallow vegetarian capsules, and they are available in 90 capsule bottles, which is a 1.5-month supply. Nursing for postpartum support. This is key for not only nursing moms, but for all moms recovering from childbirth. Iodine is required for your body to produce thyroid hormones for pregnant and breastfeeding women. More iodine as the baby is totally dependent on the mother's supply, and that is a key nutrient when the baby is first born. Nursing provides a daily dose of 250 micrograms of iodine, which is what is recommended by the World Health Organization. Vitamin K is essential in blood clot formation, in bone metabolism, and various cellular functions, and this will help ensure mom and baby get the necessary vitamin K they both need. Many women are vitamin D deficient in pregnancy and postnatally due to the increased demand by a baby. Breastfed infants get their recommended vitamin D mainly from breast milk, which is why it is important that mothers have adequate stores of vitamin D. It comes in easy-to-swallow vegetarian capsules in 90 capsule bottles and a 1.5-month supply. Say hello to beautiful, comfortable skin. Belly Therapy Skincare. What makes it so special? This plant-based skincare is inspired by both Eastern and Western traditional herbal medicines. It is made with a proprietary botanical blend that contains highly purified extracts of Centella asiatica to help promote skin elasticity and resilience and revitalize collagen production. These are high-quality plant-based ingredients that are tailored specifically for pregnant moms. They are delicately scented, but no perfumes or added fragrances. There are 3 products to suit your customer preference, and it works best when used as a 2-step regime. Step 1 is the oil, which is very light and quick drying. Place it on your skin and wait 10 to 20 seconds, and then step 2, use your lotion or cream, whichever is your preference. The key ingredients in these products are as follows. Rosehip oil, which is high in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are antioxidants that help get rid of free radicals. Rosehip oil increases collagen production and helps prevent photoaging. It is a rich source of tretinoin. Borage oil. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and help repair skin damage and alleviate dry skin. It reduces the skin's aging and age spots because it's rich in ferulic acid. Calendula oil is high in flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin E. It is a great anti-inflammatory because it is rich in conjugated linolenic acid. It helps repair photo-damaged skin and keep skin hydrated and moisturized. Apricot kernel oil contains anti-inflammatory properties as well. It softens and moisturizes the skin, and it alleviates itchiness, redness, and dry skin because it is a rich source of B-sitosterol. These are the Prenatal Ease products. They are targeted and specific to support the changing needs of pregnant moms.